And welcome back to Logia. Always banging about electric vehicles. That seems to be the talk of the town. How bad they are, how ridiculous they are as well. Australia, the state of Victoria, I think their fire department has officially have electric version of the fire engine. It'll make you laugh because they say they want to enter into the net zero emissions. When you power these damn things, it comes from a polluted source. Coal power station, gas power station, etc. It's basically the same thing with electric cars. It's done with green energy. It's got nothing green. At the end of this working cycle, it was going to pollute. And you can get rid of the batteries. How are you going to recycle them? That's pretty difficult. Returning back to this electric fire engine, what drawbacks it will have on active service? For starters, it has to be always on standby, maximally charged. Suppose it has to employ to put out a fire, therefore you have to activate the electric pumps, which on standard fire engines they run off the big diesel engine which powers the whole thing, which gives a constant flow of power and energy. No, on electric one, on the batteries, and more gadgets you touch on one source of battery, shorter the charge will be. And talking about fire hazards, lithium batteries are a fire hazard regarding other types of form of propulsion like gas or petrol, because lithium battery is a high subject to auto combustion explosions. And what are you going to say to the person on the other end of the line when they have to call for an intervention of the fire brigade? We are so sorry, we cannot send out a unit because it has a flat battery, because it was used currently in another call. And anything, how long this damn thing will take to charge? 3 days? And the battery lifespan of these things is 5 years. You have equivalent of probably 30,000 laptop batteries in this battery pack, and the water has to take is extra weight. And obviously the electric vehicles, more heavy they are, more they run on ordinary roads, more they ruin it, potholes. And obviously you have problems of wearing out parts, even if they have little mechanical, electrical parts. It's all computerized. If the bloody computer goes berserk, you need a bloody technician to repair it. Spare parts, technicians, integrated circuits for these things. Will they be widely available in years to come for that model? Because it has to last for a hell of a lot of time and it has to pay for itself. So whoever who work in local authorities, councils or states, counties, whatever, you got to think again before you start buying electrical vehicles for public use, especially for emergency services. They're not adapted for the purpose you want to deploy them in.